All right, Saturday morning, we're gonna do a little unboxing. Ashley, what do we have here?
A pan.
A pan, and you got this pan from whom?
Our place.
Our place. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So what is this pan? Exactly.
I'm not sure, but it feels like everyone on Instagram and like YouTube has this pan. It does a lot, I think. I just am not sure of the capabilities.
All right, first unboxing. I can't even open the box. So
Going really well.
it's going very well.
Do you want me to try?
Oh, wait, look at this, look at this. We have markers here. They should, what, first note, put some wording out there that says tear here. This is gonna be some good unboxing sounds right here.
No! God.
Oh, pull, it says pull here. Oh, look at the presentation in here. Okay, so this is what we're talking about over here. Look at this thing.
Ooh.
And it's vertical, so you should see everything in this shot. What's striking is the color. Mm-hmm. You don't see a lot of kitchenware with a color like this, which I think is what caught your eye.
They have a lot of pretty colors. I was actually drawn to the lavender, and I was like, who am I? I don't have anything lavender.
Who Am I? That's a great Jackie Chan movie, by the way.
It's called Who Am I?
Yeah, it's called Who Am I? Alright, it's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I think that's in a good way, in that it feels like it's like could be like a weeknight warrior. It's like, it's supposed to be like an all-in-one type of thing. So you have a steamer basket in here, along with it being a non-stick pan. And I don't know if there's any kind of special sauce to the non-stick pan to make it like extra non-stick, but it looks good. It feels good.
It has like the little pour out, like that's
It has.
nice.
They have the spouts here. I wonder. I didn't check if this is oven safe. That'll be a game changer. Our Place is the brand. Why is that funny? I'm trying to show them all the things.
Place. Okay.
Here's the natural sponge that you get.
Can I see that? I want to see that.
Pan, lid, and then steamer basket.
We don't have any steamer baskets.
We don't. This could be something we try out. This is the part that I thought was a little gimmicky, but maybe it'll grow on me.
Well, because it fits in that
Yeah,
thing.
so you get this wooden spoon here, which I'm a big fan of wooden spoons. It fits right here on the thing. So it really is like telling that story of one-stop shop. You know, you got everything you need according to Our Place. I'm gonna make eggs in this because I feel like that's one of the best tests.
Well, I gotta give it a hand wash first.
Oh yeah, we're gonna give it a hand wash and then we'll make some eggs. All right, I'll be making a mushroom omelet to test out this pan. I got just the Trader Joe's cremini mushrooms here. And then I've already, using about half the bag, and I've already just washed that. So I didn't put any grease or any oil in this pan to start it off. Cook these mushrooms a bit, cook off any of the excess moisture. Get these a little toasty. And this is going to take some time because there's a lot of water in these mushrooms already from sitting in that bag and from the water that I used to wash these. So I just have this at like kind of medium low. And we're doing this because we want to get some good browning on the mushrooms, and we want to release the moisture so that when we introduce butter, all the mushrooms are going to soak up all that butter really well. And while that's going, I got 3 eggs here that I'll crack. I'm not going to whisk them yet. Do that right before getting in the pan. Anyone else have a hard time not getting shells into the bowl like I do? We need to get better at that. I think I forgot to mention before, this is called the Always Pan, which works because I think the idea is this will be the only pan. This will be maybe the first pan you get, and possibly the only pan you need. I like the size. I like the how light it is to use, and I like the size of the handle. Feels nice in the hand, and so already our mushrooms are shrinking a good amount, and I feel like I should have put more mushrooms because I kind of forgot about that. But it's all right. This is an omelet. All right, so now that we've cooked off a good amount of this water and the mushrooms, the first thing to hit it with is some soy sauce right in the pan. A few drops. I'd say like half a teaspoon, not that much. Soy sauce does two things. It brings out the mushroom flavor really well when we're cooking the mushrooms like this. Also, it's our first bit of saltiness and seasoning that we're introducing to the mushrooms here. All right, now the mushrooms are browned, and we have even a little bit of a fond at the bottom of the pan. Let's get some butter in here. All right, a little less than a tablespoon of butter going in. I'm using our favorite Miyoko's dairy-free, vegan cultured butter, salted. We're going low and slow here. This is a nice chill Saturday morning recipe. We don't want to make anything too quick. We're gonna do the same with our eggs. These mushrooms are looking pretty good. So we did the soy sauce. We did the butter, which is salted. I'm gonna do just a tad bit more salt because these mushrooms will be a big part of the flavor for our omelet. So we wanna make sure they're well seasoned. Let's try one. Wow. It's really good. I'm excited for this omelet now. All right, got my mushrooms put aside for the omelet, and now let's get the eggs going. All right, about another tablespoon of butter going in. Actually, a little more than a tablespoon. I put a good amount of butter in for an omelet like this because I want to make sure that everything is evenly coated. And because I'm not adding like any milk or anything, which I sometimes do for like scrambled eggs, the extra butter will kind of act as that kind of creamy component. But you definitely want to really beat these up. Make sure it's a good homogeneous mixture. Eggs going in. Basically, almost cooking it almost 90% on one side, so when you fold it over, it's more like you're folding over like a pancake. But I like kind of the soft center of a omelet. I like that you get the different varied textures of like hard scrambled eggs on the outside, but yet like a really soft scramble in the middle. This is a good sign right here. Look how it's moving around like that. That's a good sign. Non-stick for this pan so far, pretty good. All right, our eggs are almost set here. Actually, maybe a little too set. It's okay. Getting mushrooms on one side. You're like almost flipping a pancake because these are pretty set already. So, not bad. We did a good job, but I'm actually going to turn it off right away. So it actually looks pretty good. Our flip was decent. That looks like a good omelet. All right, last touch before we eat. Going to cut up some chives. Love chives on an omelet. Let's get this on the plate. Again, very non-stick. You don't see any parts stuck to the pan, which is nice. Omelet here. Just gonna top it with our chives. Ooh, look at that. Mushroom omelet. Let's give this a try. Looks really good. Okay. Not bad. Soy sauce. I feel like it really brings out the mushroom flavor with that one step. And for those worried, because I know you probably are asking this question, does it taste like soy sauce? No, it does not. The soy sauce basically gets cooked off. That one single step really does bring out the mushroom flavor, in my opinion. Now, let's be honest. It was the amount of butter that got us here, but man, am I enjoying the ride. This actually might be one of the best omelets I've made. Clean plate. So in conclusion, I think the Our Place Always Pan did a stellar job on its first go around. I mean, if we're talking non-stick, I feel like eggs is probably the best test for that, and I think it passed all the tests with flying colors. I didn't use the steam basket yet, but I'm thinking maybe getting some Japanese sweet potatoes, some purple sweet potatoes, and steaming those, because that's one of my favorite steamed kind of root vegetable. I think this is going to be an ongoing review of the Always Pan, but so far I can definitely see using this in my heavy rotation as far as weeknight meals. Let me know your thoughts on this IG story, unboxing / cooking video, and also maybe let me know what you like in omelets. I know everyone's got their preference. I love me a good Denver omelet. Maybe I'll make that one time too. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.